And hello, welcome to this video for what do you call that? Yes, the OpenFOAM application editing. So let's go where we left off. Last time I was talking about this volume scalar field and volume vector field. Where does all the functionality come from? And we actually saw that they use a lot of template syntax. So if you take a look at every matrix, you see this template class type 2. Okay, so we're going to try doing some templates. Okay, but before we start, I want to start by tidying up first. Okay, so we want to tidy up. Okay, sandbox2.c. Now the thing about sandbox2.c is that it has a lot of code that we probably don't want to try anymore. All of this here is, for example, the all of this here is, for example, the what do you call it? Code that we don't really want to deal with anymore. Okay, then this is the linear equation demonstration. This is the cubic equation demonstration, and so on and so forth. All of this we don't want. So I'm going to try putting them into include files. So I've made a custom folder while off video. I've actually copied and pasted, for example, let's see, the linear foam namespace example 1. So you can see foam namespace example 1 is basically having this info down here. It will declare two scalars and then you will just multiply and divide. Nothing very much there. Okay. Then of course the linear equation demo. Okay, the linear equation demo is basically demonstrating the linear equation. So I just basically copied and pasted all the code over. So this part is actually the what do you call it? Scalar demonstration demo, and this part is the linear equation demo. Okay, then I have a few more files for the cubic equation demo and even the time function demo. Okay, you see the time function demo has a set root case and create time.h. So I'm going to delete all of this. Okay, I'm going to delete all of this. Oopsie, probably don't want to do too much. Okay, I'll delete all of this, and just to take note. Just a note for you. When it comes to OpenFOAM coding, there's a very specific way of writing the code. You can take a look more at let's see. You can take a look more at this coding style guide, right? They say 80 characters max. Normal indentation is 4 spaces per logical level. 4 spaces for 4 spaces to per logical level. That's the OpenFOAM coding style guide. Okay, and always use spaces for indentation, not tab characters. Okay, so these are just some things to take note of, and I will want to get you used to this style of writing so that you can make code that looks neat and it's OpenFOAM, OpenFOAM style. So I will kind of look through in and out of this. I will keep talking about the style guide and I'll try to reference it as close as possible. I won't be able to do it all the time, but as far as possible, I'll try to do it. Okay, so back to tidying up. Basically, we actually just deleted a whole bunch of code, and now we want to include 3 pieces of code, right? I'm not doing the time function yet. I'm going to hashtag include this. What's the first one? Foam namespace example 1.h. 4 spaces include linear equation demo.h. 4 spaces include cubic equation demo.h. Now, if everything goes well, you type the wmake file, it's supposed to run. Why isn't this actually running over here? Okay, why isn't this running over here? Because Yeah, because we actually need to edit our options file inside the make directory. So go and do vim make options. Over here, we need to tell the compiler which folder we want to include. So the folder is, the syntax is dash, because you have your 4 spaces thing here, dash I, you want this current directory and you want this demonstrations folder to be included into your make directory over here. So when you type wmake, okay, you want to type wmake, then it will search for header files inside the demonstrations folder, because we just typed the little thing inside the make options. So if I do this time, it should be right. Okay. So they have a problem because actually redeclared the scalar a. Okay, because I was messing around with some things. Okay, you have a scalar a over here. All right, never mind. Let me put scalar c, because now we are separating parts of it into new code. I don't want to keep using the, yeah, I want it to be such that if I comment out certain portions of the code, I won't get errors. Okay, so let me show you what I mean once shortly. Okay, this time things go on well. Let's try sandbox2. Okay, everything executes nicely, and then we can do home clean tutorials. Now, what was I concerned about actually? Okay, in my original code, the code was like so. You have A, and A over here. This was the original code. Okay, there's no scalar A over here. It's just as such. Okay, I'll do a wmake. It's the same. Okay, vim sandbox2.c. And what I do is I actually wanted to comment this part out. Okay. And then the compiler will complain. Okay, it said A was not declared in this scope. Okay. So my solution to that was to quickly, all right, let's see. Okay. Quickly, what do you call that? Quickly deal with this way. Linear vim demonstration linear equation demo.h. And what I'll do is I just put a double here, or even I can even use the word scalar. Okay, if I do this, I wmake, it will complain again. Oh, it won't complain again, but it will complain if, let's say, I do this. If I don't comment this out, I put it back here and I wmake this, it will complain. Because now it says we have a redeclaration of scalar. So I'm just going to change this either to the scalar of c, which I did just now. Okay, I'll just do it like that. I'll put a scalar of c so that it does not, I won't run into this problem. Okay, so that's how I do it. Wmake, and there we go. Okay, sandbox2. Okay, all is good. Okay. Of course, I think the cubic equation has something similar, but I don't really want to deal with that now. Okay, so I'll just comment all of this out because we want to get our file ready for the templates. Okay, root case list and create time h. Okay, this is actually part of my what do you call that? This is actually part of my template demo. Oh no, time function demo. Okay, so you have include root case list create time. So This two I will just comment out. This whole time loop I will just delete and replace with this include. Okay, 4 spaces in, and put include time functions demo.h. Okay, that's it. All right, foam clean tutorials, and let's wmake again. Okay, I made a typo. There's no S in time functions demo, or time function demo. Wmake. All right. And so this is how, and then we can run sandbox2. It will give us a time function demo. And now if I just comment this out, okay, comment this out and wmake again. It should be quite good for us. All right, so I'm going to foam clean tutorials. This time it should be okay. Okay, so that's all. This is just tidying up the sandbox2 folder. Now I can actually start talking a little bit more about what do you call that? Templates. Okay, yes. So I didn't go through templates in this video. I talked more about how to make your own custom include folder. Okay, it's more of a custom include folder. So that's all. I'll see you again. Hopefully we can talk about templates again proper. Yeah.